Good morning and welcome back for writing. So you guys are going to complete a writing activity in Easel. You can find this writing activity in Google Classroom under classwork. You're going to click on Monday writing activity, and when you click on it, it's going to open up your Easel assignment. And the Easel assignment is what would you rather? So the first slide is just the cover page, so you're going to click the second page. But before you click the second page, I want you to choose one of these would you rather. Would you rather be the best player on a losing team or the worst player on a winning team? Would you rather live in space or live under the sea? Would you rather live in a world with hovercraft cars or live with a giant gummy bear that acts as humans? Would you rather have an accordion legs or always have Cheeto dust on your fingers? Would you rather shoot spaghetti from your fingers or sneeze meatballs? Would you rather have a pool filled with M&Ms or a hot tub filled with hot chocolate? Would you rather only eat junk food or never eat junk food? Would you rather live in a museum or live in a library? So I want you to choose one of these. And then on the next slide, you're going to tell me which one you chose and which one you would rather do. So for example, if I chose, would you rather live in a museum or live in a library? Over here, you're going to type your response, all right? And don't forget to type and tell me which would you rather that you chose. So again, if you chose live in a museum or live in a library, you're going to type I would rather either live in a museum or a library. I would rather live in a museum because I think that would be fun. And then tell me why you would rather. So again, if you forget, the directions are right here. Choose one of the would you rather scenarios and write about which you would rather do and why. Guys, I don't want to see one or two sentences, okay? You need to explain to me why you chose that one and why you would rather do whichever scenario, okay? So don't just type one sentence or one word and say that you're done. You need to type at least 2 or 3 complete sentences, okay, based on which of the would you rathers you chose, all right? I can't wait to read these. This should be a fun little writing activity, all right? Don't forget when you're done to turn it in the easel and also turn it into Google Classroom, all right? I will see y'all at math at 12 o'clock. Enjoy your writing activity.